This scatter is called two fighters, one winner. What do we have to do? Well, each fighter takes turns attacking the other, and whoever kills the other is victorious. That is defined as having 0 health or less. And this scatter is quite funny because we have to work with a class. Let's go. So first of all, when you have a class, you have several properties which you can access. Let's say that we want to have the health of fighter 1, Lu. We can do the following. To access that, fighter 1 dot, and then we pass in the property that we want to access, health, and that would be probably 10. Yeah. And that means that his damage per attack would be 2. Let's check it out. Yeah. But what we have to do is to find out which of the fighters wins. And for that, I want to use a while loop to simulate the fight. Well, true. And then I will define the conditions when it has to stop. What we have to do first is determine who's the first attacker. So that would be either fighter 1 or fighter 2. But let's start with fighter 1. That he starts, Lu. Fighter 1 name should be equal to first attacker. And then we have to do something. Well, of course, there should be a condition, by the way. But what we have to do is to subtract the damage per attack from the health of fighter 2. As follows. So fighter 2 has a base health. And from that, we have to subtract the damage of fighter 1. Damage per attack. But after the first turn, fighter 1 gets the chance to fight back. And that is what we place here on the second line. So the health of fighter 1 should be decreased with the damage per attack of fighter 2. And then, very important, we have to define when the fight is over. If the health of fighter 1 is 0 or less, then we return the name of fighter 2 as the winner. Oh, well, we have to actually start with fighter 2. So when the health of fighter 2 is 0 or less, we have to return the name of fighter 1, because fighter 1 actually starts to attack. So if the health of fighter 2 is below 0, we have to immediately return the name of fighter 1 as a winner. If fighter 1 has 0 health or less, then we return the name of fighter 2 as the winner. Whoops, that should be health, not the name. So Lu turns out to be the winner here. But let's say that Harry has a damage per attack of 10, which would be ridiculous, but it could be possible. Then he would defeat Lu in the first counter attack. So in such a case, we should return Harry now. Yeah, so that works out. And we can use the same logic for fighter 2, but reverse everything. So if fighter 2 is the first attacker, then we should follow the same logic. Yep. Okay. Well, let's test it out. This should work. There we go. Hope this has been useful, that you learned something from it, and hope to see you in another video. Thanks for watching.